go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Oh, someone help me free this feeling. Someone now help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. Are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know everything will be alright. Wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go now. Take me to your paradise.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I am so happy with it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And road to 1K, okay? I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel already. I love how this look came out. I'm not going to put all the product in the description, so if you do want to know what I use, let me know if you want me to put that in the description. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Another man.